Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, and joining me is financial expert Eli Sterling. Good morning, Eli.
Good morning, Maya. Thanks for having me.
Let's dive right in. President Trump has announced a sweeping set of new tariffs: 100% on branded pharmaceuticals, 25% on heavy trucks, and additional levies on furniture and kitchenware, all set to take effect October 1st. How might this impact markets today?
It's a major headline, Maya. These tariffs, particularly the 100% on pharmaceuticals, could raise the average U.S. tariff rate by 3%, according to Bloomberg. That's going to rattle sectors like healthcare, autos, and consumer goods. We're already seeing farmer stocks react negatively, and pharma companies without U.S. manufacturing plans will feel the heat.
Right, and speaking of market reaction, let's turn to technical analysis. We've got several crypto pairs showing interesting setups. Let's start with BTC USDT on a daily chart using the Fibonacci retracement strategy. What's your read, Eli?
Thanks, Maya. Looking at Bitcoin, it's currently trading just above the swing low at $108,620, the 0% Fibonacci level. But it's been consistently held below the 23.6% retracement at $110,805. That's a strong resistance zone. Combine that with a bearish MACD and RSI near 38, and we're looking at continued weakness unless buyers can reclaim that key level.
And what about risk management here?
ATR is sitting around $2,200, so traders should consider stop losses beyond $4,400 to avoid getting shaken out by volatility. If BTC breaks below $108,000, that could trigger a cascade toward the next support.
Interesting. Now shifting gears, let's look at SOL USDT on the daily chart using the zero lag trend signal. What does the data tell us?
Solana is in a clear downtrend. Price has stayed below the zero lag EMA for all 5 periods, and the indicator shows no bullish signals. The stochastic RSI is rising from oversold levels, which could hint at a bounce, but the broader trend remains bearish. Until we see a clean break above the ZL EMA, I'd stay cautious.
Got it. And finally, let's talk about AVAX USDT using the Fibonacci retracement approach. Where's the technical setup pointing?
AVAX has been consolidating between the 61.8% and 50% Fibonacci levels, around $28.80 and $30.14 for 5 straight days. That's a sign of indecision. But the MACD is bearish, and RSI has dropped from overbought to neutral. If buyers can't push above $31.50, we could see a breakdown toward the 78.6% level at $26.88.
So, overall, a mix of consolidation and bearish setups across major cryptos. Let's wrap up with some quick takeaways. What should investors be watching tomorrow?
Keep an eye on whether those tariff headlines spark broader risk-off sentiment. In crypto, watch BTC's reaction at $108,000 and whether SOL or AVAX can break key resistance levels. Technically, we're in a fragile spot. Any negative catalyst could tip the scales.
Thanks, Eli. That's all for today's market update. Stay tuned for more analysis, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. I'm Maya Keynes.
I'm Eli Sterling. Take care and trade smart.